In order to understand the cloud computing compare with on-premises, let us pick this example. You are planning to purchase a car, maybe for your family need, or maybe out of passion you want to purchase this particular car. For that you will do a payment. Let us say some amount of, if it is 15 lakhs, you might be paying some 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs as a down payment, and then you'll go further. Once all the payments are done, then you'll go for registration, you have to purchase insurance, and then other fees you have to pay as part of this registration process and all, and then you have to pay the tax as well for the purchase what you have done. Once it is done, the car was delivered to you and you started riding it. Fine. After a few months or after a few years, you have to go for maintenance. It doesn't mean that I purchased a car, it will work as it is, no maintenance, nothing is needed. It's not like that, right? Any machine or any electronic device you take, you have to maintain it regularly. Sometimes if something goes wrong, you have to repair it. Maybe you or someone else, whatever it is. Depends upon the scenario. Now this will be an investment for you. For example, if you take car as a service part, you have to pay some service fee for the maintenance what they have done and the repair as well if it is needed. After that, traffic. See, for example, after purchasing a car, we will travel here and there. You have to handle the traffic in different scenarios. Every time we cannot say that you will go at a speed of 60 kilometers per hour or maybe 20 kmph. It depends upon the scenario where you are traveling in. So I have to handle that. For this particular traffic, my time will be consumed a lot. I have to take care of it. So you have to drive the car. After that, every year when your car is getting old, there will be a depreciation. Once I purchased a car, let us say some X year, if it is 15 lakhs, it doesn't mean that after Z years, it will be the same cost. No. Every year, the depreciation will happen. Maybe in the form of 10%, 5% or 20% or 50%. Depends upon the market. That you have to handle. And then you have to look at the parking as well. For example, I went to a movie. Let's say I went to a shopping mall. There I have to park it. I have to spend some time as well. I have to take care of it. So it all comes under parking that you are looking at, and then you have to park the car. And then not only that, for the mission to run, your car to run, we have to inject the fuel. So we have to look at the gas station as well. And there also you have to spend some time and the money as well. Now all these particular things what I've displayed here, it is all about the maintenance and the cost. It is involved. It doesn't mean that once you purchased a car, everything will be free of cost. No, right? You have to take care of it. You have to drive the car. You have to make sure you are doing a regular maintenance. And whenever something went wrong, you are making sure that it is getting repaired on time before getting it to the major damage. And you have to handle the traffic. You have to drive in the traffic. You have to look at the parking, and you have to spend some time in the gas station as well for filling the fuel and all. This is your maintenance, which will involve a lot of cost. Now this example you can compare with on-premises environment. If I need to do my setup for my application deployment, I have to invest on managing the data center, or you might be looking at data center service provider. After that, you have to build the server, you have to manage the operating system, regular maintenance, you have to invest, and then you have to deploy your application. You have to make sure of disaster recovery, security, all these things. So end to end is your responsibility. If I take care of end to end responsibility, there will be a lot of maintenance and cost which is involved. But as per the budget of the customer, it is not feasible for him to maintain all these things. That is the reason why we have something called cloud computing. If you need to understand this in a better way, let us try to understand with this example. Let's say I want to travel one particular place. Let us say airport. What I will do, for that I will not purchase a car, right? To go to the airport or to travel some particular destination, it doesn't mean that I need to purchase a car for that. That doesn't make any sense as well. So what I will do, I will hire the local cabs. We have a lot of apps. From that, we'll book a cab to the destination, and it will show you the charges as well and when it is going to reach your location to pick up you for the destination. Now, once that particular thing is done, I have to pay only the charges for what I'm using right now. That is one of the advantage in cloud computing as well. You will pay the charges only for what you have used. I don't need to worry about the car maintenance, fuel, maintenance, repair, car parking, fuel injection. That is not my responsibility. He will take care of it, or the company will take care of it. This is one benefit of using a cloud computing if you correlate with it. Now, this particular example comes under software as a service. The points what you have discussed, right? Service types, infrastructure as a service, software as a service, and platform as a service. And this one you can use it as an example of software as a service. Now let us understand the next scenario. Now instead of using a local cabs, for example, we are planning for outstation. For that, I don't want to purchase a car. I cannot hire a local cabs. They will not come out of the station. And then I want to drive the car because I don't know when I will start my traveling and when I will reach my destination as well and when I will come back. So I have a 4 days plan or I have a 3 days plan. Instead of me hiring a cab, what I will do, I will go for rental a car. We have a lot of apps nowadays and a lot of companies who are providing you rent a car. I will go there, I will submit all my documents and I will pay some down payment as well as an initial deposit, and then I will take this particular car as a rental basis. I have to maintain the fuel, that is my responsibility, and then I have to drive the car. This is my responsibility. The car is given to you, that's all. Rest of the things you have to maintain, which comes under platform as a service. If you compare with cloud computing, what does it mean? The infrastructure will be given to you and all the tools will be deployed for you, and you have to take care of your application deployment. That is called as platform as a service. Now let us see another example to understand infrastructure as a service. What I will do, I will buy a car instead of local cabs for every time or renting a car, which is involved a lot of cost for me and I don't have a security in that. What I will do, I'll purchase a car, but I'm not going to drive it. What I will do, I will hire a person to drive the car so that he will take care of fuel injection, maintenance, repair, and then he will take care of the parking. All the responsibilities I have given to him. Only thing is I have to pay the charges, that's all. I have to pay the salary for him. For all other maintenance what he has done, he will show the bill, I will do the payment. That's it. The car is mine. Okay, but other things are maintained by him. I'll pay the charges only for what he has done. That is called as infrastructure as a service. I hope these examples will give you a better understanding in why we have to go for cloud computing compared with on-premises environment.